Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter. Okay. Now this is related to your wishes coming through. Okay. Or a magic show. Have you ever seen a magic show? Or have you ever thought of any wishes coming through of yours? क्या आप लोगों ने कभी मैजिक शो देखा है या आपकी कोई इच्छा जो आप चाहते थे कि पूरी हो जाए? ओके, नाउ मेनी पीपल विश दैट देयर विशेस शुड बी ग्रांटेड. बहुत सारे सपने होते हैं हर किसी के. हर कोई चाहता है कि मेरे सपने पूरे हो जाएं. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ अ लिटिल फर ट्री. ओके, अ लिटिल फायर ट्री. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द चैप्टर. The little fire tree. Shatti the magician was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. Shatti the magician. Magician means a person who does magic shows and all. Okay. So this man whose name was Shatti, he was a magician. Okay. And one day after his magic, while he was returning home, all of a sudden it started raining. It began to rain. It rained heavily. Shatti looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fire tree. Now Mr. Shatti, as he was returning home, after his magic show, when he was returning home, it all of a sudden started raining. Okay, and then he was looking for shelter. मिस्टर शेट्टी एक मैजिशियन थे, एक जादूगर थे जो रोज़ाना अपना जादूगर का खेल दिखाकर अपने घर पे लौट रहे थे. एक दिन जादू खत्म करके वो घर पे आ ही रहे थे, उतने में अचानक से जोरों की बारिश शुरुआत हो गई और मिस्टर शेट्टी को भीगना नहीं था, इसलिए वो अपने लिए शेल्टर देख रहे थे. यानी बारिश से, वर्षा से भीगने के लिए कोई छत देख रहे थे जिसके नीचे वो खड़े रह सकते थे. ओके, ही रैन टूवर्ड्स. शट्टी लुक्ड अराउंड फॉर शेल्टर एंड सॉ अ प्रिटी लिटिल फायर ट्री. ही रैन टूवर्ड्स इट एज फास्ट एज ही कुड. जैसे वो भीगने लगे वो अपने आप को बचाने की कोशिश कर रही थी. ही वॉज लुकिंग आउट फॉर शेल्टर. And as he was running, he saw a little fire tree. Okay, soon the rain stopped. Shatti was happy that he did not get wet. Thank you, you have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes and I will grant them, said the magician. As soon as Mr. Shatti went and stood underneath the tree, the rain stopped. जैसे ही मिस्टर शेट्टी जादूगर उस पेड़ के नीचे जाके खड़े रहे, उतने में बारिश रुक गई थी. ओके, एंड द मैजिशियन वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. he told that fire tree that I will grant you a wish. Thank you for helping me out. Now यहाँ पे हेल्प कैसे किया? पेड़, क्योंकि पेड़ के नीचे वो खड़े थे, अपने आप को बारिश से बचाने के लिए वो उस पेड़ के नीचे खड़े थे. एंड द मोमेंट ही वेंट एंड स्टूड अंडरनीथ दैट ट्री, द रेन स्टॉप्ड. ओके, सो द मैजिशियन वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. ओके, एंड ही टोल्ड द फायर ट्री दैट यू कैन आस्क मी 4 विशेज. आप अपनी 4 इच्छाएं मुझसे मांग सकते हो और वो चारों के 4 इच्छाएं मैं आपकी पूरी कर दूंगा करके. ओके, द सैड फायर ट्री had leaves like needles and no birds even made nest on it. So it said, I wish I had green leaves like any other friends. Now here the fire tree, he tells the magician, he was very upset. He was disappointed. He was very sad. he is telling the magician that I have got needle shaped leaves. Needle means सुई की तरह. Okay? Have you seen a Christmas tree or these what you say pine trees? Pine trees देखे आपने पिक्चर्स? उसके पत्ते जो होते हैं वो नीडल शेप के होते हैं. Okay, pointed type. So here the fire tree says that I am very upset, I am very sad that no birds come and make nest on my tree. I don't have green leaves like my other friends. Other friends यानी दूसरे पेड़ों की तरह. Okay, तो I would like to have, I wish I had green leaves like any other friends of mine. Here the tree is telling कि I wish, मेरी इच्छा है कि मुझे हरे ग्रीन पत्ते होवे मेरे डालियों पर, मेरे ब्रांचेस पर ग्रीन लीव्स आए करके. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग इट्स विश वॉज ग्रांटेड. नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग when the fire tree saw its leaves, they were not needle shaped, they were not pointed, but they were leaves like the other trees. Okay, green leaves. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear, said the fire tree, I wish I had gold leaves, as goats do not eat gold leaves. When the little fire tree woke up the next morning, it was surprised to see gold leaves. How happy I am, it said. Now the first wish, उस लिटिल फायर ट्री की फर्स्ट इच्छा थी कि मुझे ग्रीन पत्ते मिले, मेरे ब्रांचेस को ग्रीन लीव्स आ जाए like the other trees. The next morning his wish was granted, but for a surprise, goats came and ate all his leaves. बकरियां जो होते वो सारे पत्ते खा गए. And again the little fire tree was disappointed. Then he thought कि काश अगर मेरे ब्रांचेस में गोल्ड के पत्ते हो, ताकि गोल्ड तो गोट्स खाते नहीं है. Yes or no? So here the little fire, his second wish was that he gets gold leaves. Okay, and the next morning he was surprised to see that all the branches had gold leaves, and he was really very happy. A man came along and stole the gold leaves. Again the next morning when he saw that his branches had gold leaves, the little fire tree was very happy. But then what happened? Gold, सोना थोड़ी कोई रखेगा पेड़ पर. तो robbers came and stole all the gold leaves. Okay, here the tree is again asking for the next wish. I wish I had glass leaves instead of any other leaves. Now here the fire tree is telling his third wish, that he wanted glass leaves. Glass यानी कांच के पत्ते. कांच के पत्ते गोट खाते नहीं है, चोर चुराते नहीं है, तो वो खुशी खुशी अपनी तीसरी इच्छा जाहिर करते हैं ये कहकर that he wanted glass leaves, कांच के पत्ते. Okay, men do not steal glass leaves. The next day its glass leaves shone in the bright sun. Next morning when he woke up, when the tree woke up, the tree was very happy to see glass branches on its glass leaves on its branches. And then the tree thought that men don't steal glass things, right? Here the fire tree was very happy now. How happy I am, it said. At night the wind blew, woo, woo, woo. All the glass leaves broke. Now again the fire tree was upset, sad, because it so happened that the wind blew very fast. Okay, हवा बहुत तेजी से आ रही थी और उस हवा के झोंके से सारे ग्लास के पत्तियां नीचे गिरकर टूट गई. Okay, as the wind started blowing, all the glass leaves fell on the ground and it broke. And here the fire tree was again sad. "Oh dear," said the fire tree, "I like my old needle-like leaves best, for goats do not eat them, no man can steal them, the wind will do them no harm." Now here the little fire tree repents. उनको पछतावा होता है उस पेड़ को कि मैंने क्यों अपने नीडल शेप्ड को बुरा भरा कहा. Because at last the tree thinks that my needle shaped leaves were only the best leaves. Why? Because goats don't eat needle shaped leaves, men don't steal needle shaped leaves, then the wind cannot blow or it cannot come down. Yes or no? And last, the needle shape don't even break. So here the fire tree was very happy with its needle shaped leaves, and it is saying that I wish I had my needle shaped leaves back again. The tree went to sleep. When it woke up the next morning, it had all its needles back again. Now the little fire tree went to sleep. It was very sad without any leaves. Why without any leaves? Because first he asked for, its wish was for nice fresh green leaves, and the goats came and ate the green leaves. Its second wish was to have gold leaves. But again he was sad because men, they don't keep gold, right? And gold leaves on branches, obviously everybody stole away the leaves. And then third wish was that it had glass leaves. But then we all know that wind, the moment the wind started blowing, the glass leaves all fell on the ground and broke. So here the fire tree realized its mistake, that it should have been happy with the leaves he had. Okay, and then it really realized its mistake. वो उनको अपने गलती का पछतावा होता है. Because needle shaped leaves गोट्स खाते नहीं हैं, लोग चुराते नहीं हैं, और वो हवे के झोंके से नीचे गिरकर टूटते भी नहीं हैं. And sadly the tree goes to sleep. Next morning when the tree wakes up, the tree was very happy to see its needle shaped leaves back again. Okay? So here the moral of the story is that we should be happy with whatever we get. We shouldn't complain or grumble for anything. Okay? Moral of the story is, हमारे पास जो भी है उसी में हमें खुश रहना है, संतुष्ट रहना है. Okay? So please watch this video properly. Try to understand this video. If you all have got any doubts, any queries, you all have not understood any word or any sentence, please call me and ask me. Now today's homework is read the chapter at least 3 times. Read the chapter 3 times. Tomorrow I will give you all the dictation words of this lesson. Okay? Thank you so much. Have a nice day, and please focus on your studies. Just because there are no schools going on, no regular schools going on, you all are not supposed to neglect your studies. Be in touch with your studies. do whatever your teacher gives you all. Okay? Focus on your studies. Thank you so much. Bye.